This 2022 Keystone Carbon 358 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 38 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 7, awning, refrigerator, oven, slide-out, microwave, leveling jacks, LP detector, smoke detector, external shower, spare tire kit, and 94 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Carbon 358 is 12,742 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.